Hi, Jack from EarthWorks. You've recently purchased and received your soil sample kit, and here it is. On the back, there's some key information here. But let's go over the contents of the kit. There's only two items in here. You have your return envelope. This will be what you use to send your soil sample to the soil lab. But here is the most important thing, your soil sample bag. There is a front and there's a back. There's QR codes on both the front and the back. I'll discuss this back one first. If you click this QR code, it'll take you to our YouTube channel where you'll see some videos on how to pull a soil sample. Now, most importantly, on the front, you will click this QR code and it'll bring you to the registration page for your soil sample. Most importantly, on that page, you will have to enter the registration number. There'll be a drop-down menu for the location at your house where you're pulling this sample. There's also an option for free-form description, how you want to call the sample, whether it was from your turf, from your lawn. Key to this is to then snap a photo of this so that you have it for your reference, the registration number. You will fill this sample in this bag. Get it into the return envelope, send it off to the lab. You'll be able to track the status of your soil sample at the lab, and quickly you'll be getting results back from us with some key recommendations to make some improvements.